Hare Krishna. Here's the fourth Prabhupada Tal. So the mantra is Ta ge da ti ta din din ta ta da te 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 ta te te ten ta ke ti. Then it begins from ta again. So it starts with ta with the capital C. Ta with the lowercase c is one side, and ta with the capital C is both sides. So it starts with that. So I'll start from this side. Ta ge da. I'll show it from this side because this side is more intricate, and then I'll do it from both sides. So the mantra is ta ge da. Ta ge da. Ta ge da ti. Ta ge da ti. Let's just go from there a few times and then we'll add it on. Ta ge da ti. 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 All right, moving on, adding on. So after ta ge da ti, it goes ta din din ta ta. 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 So let's add that fraction with the first fraction. So it goes ta ge da ti ta din din ta ta. Ta ge da ti ta din din ta ta. We'll do it again without saying the mantra. So then the next part is kind of tough. In the hand practice, we learned this. Ten, te, 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 ten, te, te, ten. Now, it's similar to that. We're going to do dot, te, 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 tok, te, te, ten. Instead of going, we're going to add a doc. Doc, te, 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 tok, te, te, ten. So doc is 10 with a yay, the big side on one side, and tok is 10 while closed on the big side. So it goes doc te 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 tok, doc te 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 tok te te 10. Te 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 tok te te 10. Dot te 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 tok te te 10. Dot te 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 tok te te 10. So we'll add that fraction together. So from the beginning. So it's basically broke down into 4 sections. We just did the third one. So then I'll start from the beginning. So it goes ta ge da ti ta din din ta ta dot te 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 tok te te 10. Dot te 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 tok te te 10. So from the beginning again, I'll say the mantra again. Ta ge da ti ta din din ta ta dot te 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 tok te te 10. So we'll add that. Ta ge da ti ta din din ta ta dot te 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 tok te te 10. Dot te 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 tok te te 10. So one more time. Ta ge da ti ta din din ta ta dot te 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 tok te te 10. And the last part goes ta ke ti ta. The last ta is the ending, but it's also the same as the beginning. So the last section is ta te ta ke ti ta ke ti ta ta ke ti ta ke ti ta with a capital T beginning. Ta te ki ta ke ti ta ta ke ti ta ke ti ta ta ke ti ta ke ti ta ge da ti ta din din ta 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 te ta te ten ta ke ti ta ge da ti ta din. So I'll say it, play it with the mantra, then I'll play it without the mantra and just play it. So from the beginning, ta ge da ti ta din din ta ta da te ta te ten ta ke ti ta ge da, etc. So I'll play it again. Ta ge da ti ta din din ta ta da te ta te ten ta ke ti ta ge da ti ta din din ta ta da te ta te ten ta ke ti ta. So I'll just play it without the mantra, then I'll sing it to it. I'll do it from this side. So I'll do that. So mantra. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So from the side, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Remember, when we play this, it always comes on a 5, and the 8 count. Every 8-beat mantra is a cycle of 8. Like Hare Krishna, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So whatever melody you have, if it's in an 8-beat, for Prabhupada Tal, it always comes on 5 and not on 1. So ta on 5, ta ge da. So always remember that. Hare Krishna.